we'll guide you through how to share Google Docs on WhatsApp. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs in your web browser and navigate to the document you want to share. Click on the blue Share button in the top right corner. A window will pop up where you can adjust the sharing settings. Enter the email addresses of people you want to share with if you need to add specific individuals. However, for sharing on WhatsApp, you'll need to create a shareable link. To do this, click on Get Link at the bottom of the window. Make sure to set the link sharing permissions based on your preference. You can choose anyone with the link and set it to viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on what level of access you want to provide. Once you've set the permissions, click on Copy Link. Now that you have the link copied to your clipboard, go ahead and open WhatsApp Web in your browser. Navigate to the chat or group where you want to share the document. In the message box, right-click and select Paste, or press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the link. You can add a message if you want to provide some context before sending it. Finally, press Enter to send the link. The recipient can now click on the link and access the document based on the permissions you've set. This method allows you to easily share your Google Docs with friends or colleagues directly through WhatsApp without having to download or email files. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.